Chapter 1: The Fat-Burning Secret You've Been Missing. What if I told you that the single biggest thing holding you back from building muscle and burning fat isn't your protein intake, but a nutrient you've been taught to fear your entire life? You can consume all the lean chicken and protein shakes in the world, but that 100 grams of protein you're so carefully tracking will fail to build strong, healthy muscles if you're neglecting one crucial element: healthy dietary fat. This is the cold, hard truth that decades of corporate propaganda and misleading low-fat marketing campaigns have tried to bury. They sold you a lie, turning fat into the villain of the nutritional world. The reality is, your body is a fat-burning machine by design. It's your body's preferred and most efficient fuel source, delivering more than double the energy per gram compared to carbohydrates or protein, a staggering 9 calories versus a mere 4. Fat isn't the enemy sabotaging your fitness goals. It's the master key that will finally unlock them. The widespread fear of fat has led to a disastrous mistake, particularly among health-conscious individuals. We've been conditioned to reach for anything labeled low fat, believing we're making the superior, healthier choice. But here's what the food industry never prints on the front of the box. When they strip out the fat, they obliterate the food's natural flavor and texture. To compensate, they pump these products full of garbage: sugar, artificial sweeteners, chemical thickeners, and emulsifiers. These replacements are not harmless. They are insidious toxins that wreak havoc on your gut health, trigger system-wide inflammation, and actively sabotage every single thing you are working to achieve. In this video, I'm going to pull back the curtain and reintroduce you to the power of real healthy fats. I will reveal 2 incredible nuts that pack in more potent, muscle-building fats than a fresh avocado, with one of them containing up to 8 times more. And to ensure your efforts are never wasted again, I will expose the 3 most toxic fat sources you must avoid at all costs. Chapter 2: The Powerhouse in a Shell, Pecans. Before we unlock the potential of pecans, it's essential to finally clear up the confusion surrounding dietary fats. There are 4 main types, but the simple good versus bad narrative you've been fed is dangerously inaccurate. Let's be clear. Trans fats are the undisputed villains. These are artificial, industrially created fats that are pure poison for the human body and should be avoided at all costs. However, saturated fat is not your enemy. The natural saturated fats found in foods like pecans play a vital role in your health. They are essential for transporting key fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, to your muscles and organs where they can be properly utilized. Furthermore, these fats are critical precursors for hormone production, triggering your body to create more testosterone, an absolutely essential hormone for anyone serious about building and maintaining muscle mass. The healthy fats in pecans also possess a remarkable ability to promote satiety, helping you feel fuller and more satisfied for hours after a meal. This feeling of fullness is a powerful weapon against binge eating and mindless snacking, which are the primary drivers of unwanted body fat accumulation. This isn't just theory, it's backed by science. A 2023 study found that older adults who regularly consumed tree nuts like pecans demonstrated significant improvements in muscle strength and a notable reduction in inflammatory markers compared to those who avoided them. The researchers concluded that the unique combination of healthy fats, protein, and micronutrients found in pecans directly supports superior muscle protein synthesis and enhances recovery, especially in adults over 60. Integrating them is simple. Try a pecan-crusted omelette for breakfast, toss a generous handful into a grilled chicken thigh salad for lunch, or create a delicious crust for a salmon fillet at dinner. Chapter 3: The King of All Nuts, Macadamia. If you think pecans are impressive, you're in for a surprise. Relying on them alone means you're still missing out on reaching your optimal muscle-building potential. There is another nut that reigns supreme, a true king in the world of healthy fats: the macadamia nut. Boasting an incredible 76 grams of fat per 100 grams, macadamia nuts have one of the highest fat contents of any nut on the planet. They are particularly rich in monounsaturated fats, especially a rare omega-7 fatty acid, which makes them exceptional for boosting your metabolism and protecting your heart. While pecans offer more fiber and vitamin E, macadamias provide a superior profile of manganese and unique plant sterols that are crucial for maintaining a healthy hormone balance. Combining these two nuts creates the ultimate, synergistic, healthy fat source for your muscle-building journey. If you're still skeptical about the importance of fat, just look at the warning signs your body sends when it's deprived. The first sign is often dry, brittle hair, and itchy, flaky skin, as essential fats are needed to maintain your skin's moisture barrier and prevent premature aging. Next comes the crippling brain fog and cognitive decline. Your brain is made of 60% fat, and omega-3s are critical for mental clarity. Without enough healthy fat, your body also cannot absorb those essential fat-soluble vitamins, meaning you're literally flushing vital nutrients down the drain. Finally, you'll experience persistent joint pain and inflammation, as healthy fats possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Now ask yourself, how can you possibly build a strong, thriving body when you're suffering from all of these issues? A 2022 study confirmed this, showing that older adults who added macadamia nuts to their diet for 12 weeks experienced improved muscle strength, reduced inflammation, and enhanced insulin sensitivity, proving their direct impact on hormone balance and muscle synthesis. Chapter 4: The 3 hidden enemies destroying your muscles. Now, it is critically important that you understand this next point. Consuming all the pecans and macadamia nuts in the world will be completely useless if you are simultaneously consuming the toxic, inflammatory fats that have polluted our food supply. Pairing these healthy nuts with the 3 fat sources I'm about to expose is like pouring poison into your body, completely neutralizing your gains and sabotaging your health. The most insidious part is that you likely don't even know they're destroying you. The first of these toxic fats are industrially processed seed oils, like cottonseed and soybean oil. For millennia, humanity thrived on stable, natural fats like olive oil, butter, and beef tallow. But in the early 1900s, corporations invented a way to extract oil from hard, inedible seeds using high-heat chemical extraction with petroleum-based solvents like hexane. This violent process instantly destroys the oil, leaving it oxidized, rancid, and profoundly inflammatory before it even reaches the bottle. These cheap oils are the dirty secret of the restaurant industry, used to deep fry nearly everything from French fries to fried chicken. A 2021 study found that seniors consuming these omega-6 rich seed oils had significantly higher levels of systemic inflammation and reduced muscle protein synthesis, with researchers concluding these oils actively impair muscle recovery and accelerate age-related muscle wasting. The second enemy, soybean oil, is particularly disastrous because it is almost always derived from genetically modified GMO crops. Your body treats these foreign, man-made fats as toxic invaders. Since it doesn't know how to process them, it does the only thing it can. It shoves them directly into your fat cells, particularly around your belly and love handles. When your fat cells are stuffed with these inflammatory toxins, losing weight and building muscle becomes nearly impossible. In contrast, your body instantly recognizes the healthy fats from macadamia nuts and pecans. It knows precisely how to metabolize them for clean energy, integrate them into your cell membranes, and use them as the building blocks for strong muscles. One class of fats stores stubborn belly fat and accelerates aging. The other builds lean muscle and helps you thrive. The final saboteur may be the most shocking, as it's often disguised as a health food: chocolate. While pure, high-quality dark chocolate can indeed be beneficial, the vast majority of chocolate products on the market are little more than candy bars. Anything below 80% cacao, and certainly any milk chocolate, is loaded with sugar, which is a catastrophic agent of muscle destruction. Sugar spikes your insulin, leading to insulin resistance over time. It triggers rampant inflammation, which directly impairs muscle recovery. It has been shown to crash testosterone levels for hours after consumption, and it elevates your stress hormone, cortisol, which is catabolic, meaning it actively breaks down your precious muscle tissue for energy. A 2019 study directly linked higher sugar consumption in seniors to reduced muscle mass, lower strength, and increased body fat. The choice is clear. To build the strong, resilient body you deserve, you must not only embrace healthy fats, but also ruthlessly eliminate these hidden sources of toxic fats and sugar from your diet. However, incorporating pecans and macadamia nuts will be completely useless for your muscles if you combine them with the next 3 sources of fat I'm about to reveal. In fact, combining these toxic fats with the healthy ones we've discussed could act like poison in your body, completely sabotaging your muscle building efforts without you even realizing it. The problem is that these toxic sources are often masquerading as healthy and are extremely common. I'm almost certain you've had the last one this week. The first of the 3 worst fat sources you must avoid is cottonseed oil, which falls into the category of manufactured altered fats that actively destroy your health. For thousands of years, humans thrived on simple pure fats like coconut oil, olive oil, butter, and beef tallow, which are naturally pressed or rendered. The problem is that nobody could extract oil from rock-hard seeds until the early 1900s, when they invented high-heat chemical extraction using petroleum-based solvents like hexane. The moment they use those chemicals and blast these seeds with extreme heat, they destroy the oil instantly, making it oxidized, rancid, and inflammatory. And almost every deep-fried food you eat at a restaurant, from French fries to fried chicken, is cooked in cottonseed oil. A 2021 study showed that seniors who consumed high amounts of omega-6 rich seed oils, soybean, cottonseed, and corn showed significantly increased systemic inflammation and reduced muscle protein synthesis compared to those who ate traditional fats, concluding that the oxidized lipids in these industrially processed seed oils actively impaired muscle recovery and contributed to accelerated muscle wasting, or sarcopenia. This brings us to the second disastrous source of fat that's actively destroying your health: soybean oil. This fat is particularly problematic because it's predominantly GMO or genetically modified, which means your body treats it like a foreign invader. This type of fat doesn't just sit there harmlessly, it actively makes you fatter because your body has no idea what to do with the processed fats from soy. As you know, fat tissue is your body's storage unit for things it doesn't recognize or know how to process. So when you consume this toxic fat, your body shoves it straight into your belly fat, your love handles, and your most stubborn problem areas. Losing that weight and building muscle around your midsection becomes nearly impossible when your fat cells are stuffed with these inflammatory compounds. Stop feeding this garbage to your body, because your body is smart enough to recognize poison, and it says, "I don't know what this is, so I'm just going to store it away." On the other hand, healthy fats from foods like macadamia nuts and pecans are instantly recognized by your body. It knows exactly how to metabolize them, integrate them into cell membranes, use them for clean energy, and convert them into the building blocks your muscles desperately need. A 2020 study confirmed this, finding that seniors consuming diets high in soy and other omega-6 rich seed oils experienced significantly greater visceral fat accumulation and blunted muscle protein synthesis compared to those eating traditional fats, revealing that the inflammatory compounds, especially when genetically modified, interfered with the anabolic signaling pathways essential for muscle growth. Choosing the right fat, not just the right quantity, determines whether older adults successfully build muscle or accumulate stubborn body fat. The final and most shocking toxic source of fat I must warn you about is something you've probably been told is healthy: chocolate. While dark chocolate can satisfy sugar cravings and aid in muscle growth, the bitter truth is that you've been greatly misled. Unless you are consuming pure dark chocolate that is at least 80% cocoa or higher, you are eating nothing but pure sugar, which is an active saboteur of every muscle-building effort you make. Sugar is particularly devastating for seniors trying to build muscle because it spikes insulin erratically, eventually leading to insulin resistance, and it triggers systemic inflammation throughout your entire body. The exact opposite of what the healthy fats we discussed do. Inflamed muscles cannot grow, period. Even more critically, studies show that consuming sugar causes a significant drop in testosterone levels for hours afterward, which, for seniors already dealing with age-related testosterone decline, is catastrophic, leading to reduced muscle protein synthesis and increased fat storage. High sugar intake also elevates cortisol, your stress hormone, which is catabolic, meaning it breaks down muscle tissue for energy. A 2019 study confirmed this, finding that higher sugar consumption was directly associated with reduced muscle mass, increased body fat percentage, and significantly lower muscle strength in older adults. I remember my patient Margaret, 62, who was doing resistance training religiously for 8 months but wasn't changing. Her belly was softer, her arms looked thinner, and she had gained 6 pounds while losing strength. The culprit? The purple wrapped bar she ate every night, which was 33% cocoa and loaded with sugar, despite claiming to be dark chocolate. We made one change, switching to 90% dark chocolate, and 8 weeks later, Margaret had dropped 7 pounds, all from her midsection, while gaining visible muscle definition. Make that change today. Which of these 3 unhealthy fat sources have you been unknowingly consuming alongside your healthy meals? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one, and I'm genuinely curious about your experiences. If you're serious about finally building and protecting the strong muscles you deserve at your age, I've created something special just for you, my 30-day healthy fats and muscle meal plan, containing over 90 nutrient-rich recipes packed with the right fats, proteins, and vitamins to maximize muscle growth while protecting your hormones and energy levels. Every single recipe is designed to avoid the harmful seed oils, soybean oil, and toxic fat combinations I just revealed. You'll find the link to this comprehensive meal plan in my pinned comment or in the description below. But here's something even more exciting. Tomorrow, I'm revealing a secret that will completely change how you think about muscle building, a nutrient you've been neglecting that makes all the difference. I can only share this with my subscribers first, so if you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, do it now. You absolutely don't want to miss tomorrow's video. Trust me. See you soon. Dr. Hillman, Senior Food Blog.